Interview po siya.
Yes po.
So, what's your name po?
I'm Maria Iscar.
So, I have a few. So, how does this help climate change for you po?
For me, like replanting trees, it helps us to provide more fresh air and it holds the water when it's raining so it won't cause landslide. And the mangroves can help us from high tide. And also picking trash can help us so it won't be needed or it won't cause more pollution. Okay.
Thank you po. Hi po, good afternoon po. So, may I interview nila po? Saglit lang po. Dali lang po. Pwede lang po?
Sure.
So, what's your name po and your year and your course po?
I'm actually Alaita Tricia Madea from 4th year BS Agriculture major in Animal Science.
So, I have a few questions po. How does this help fight climate change for you po?
By planting trees, mawala siguro major answer para sa atin. Para ma-prevent nato na flooding, soil erosion, kay mao man siya major na nagko-cause